Well, Coney, we just did a staking delegation over off of Omniflix. There's another way to stake too, and I'd like to introduce you to PingPub, but it looks like you're already there.
I'm already here, because you told me to go here, obviously.
Oh, right. Well, let's first find Jackal here on PingPub. Let's go in that little search chain bar kind of in the middle of the page. And then let's search for the Jackal blockchain real quick.
Okay, I see it right here. This little select chain bar. And then we'll go ahead and search for our favorite chain of all time, Jackal. You know what? I'm just going to star it. I'm assuming that means I'm favoriting it. I'm a little new here, but it's my favorite chain, so I'm up in there. All right, we are on the Jackal dashboard on PingPub. Where do we go next to stake this?
Well, PingPub is one of those sites that doesn't automatically connect your wallet, so let's do that first. If you go in your upper right-hand corner and hit that little blue icon, like next to the magnifying glass, let's hit that Connect Wallet button.
Connect Wallet. We are on Kepler, as it already knows, because it's got a little check by it, and I'll go ahead and click Connect. All right, and PingPub is requesting to connect to the Jackal chain via our Kepler wallet. I'll go ahead and accept that, and I think we're in.
We're connected. Yeah. Let's head over to staking, I think.
All right, and then I'll pop over to the staking tab over here on the left, and I see a list of all of our validators.
Yeah, let's scroll all the way down. Let's see who. Let's check on some things. Let's check on some validators we can delegate to. It looks like that one at the bottom we staked to earlier. It looks like it rose up one, just like we did a few minutes ago.
Lambo.
Do you think they could use another token, or should we slap one on like F5 up there?
No, F5's got 696 Jackal. We should hook up When Lambo with another one.
I agree.
Let's get him up to 34. You know what I mean? In the spirit of decentralization. Just to be completely clear, Emery and I have no idea who When Lambo is, because that's the beauty of the blockchain and decentralized ecosystems and communities. So we're just out here to decentralize the network and secure it. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit the delegate button over here on the right. We'll delegate a Jackal to When Lambo. Looks like we still got 2.83 left. Let's see, amount. Should we just stake one more, Emery?
Yeah, I'd say let's give him one more. Let's get up to 34 Jackal for him.
Here we come. And then, all right, so delegating the sender. This is our address. The validator, When Lambo. And then we're going to delegate one Jackal. We'll just go ahead and click the send. All right, and then we'll confirm this transaction. Stake one Jackal to When Lambo. Approve. Whoa, a loading bar. I haven't seen this. Boom.
There we go.
We're staked.
Shall we do maybe like a quick refresh and let's see if that worked out?
Right. I see that he just says 33 right now. I'll do the refresh. And then let's scroll back down to the bottom. We'll scroll fast. There it is, 34. Our Jackal is safely delegated to When Lambo. Fantastic.
Another secure way to stake on PingPub.
Do we want to show the people how to vote on PingPub?
Yeah, I think it's a great idea. Let's head over to governance over on that left-hand side there.
Let's see, governance. Oh, it's up here, right underneath the dashboard. You know why? Because it's an important feature. It's an important thing for the blockchain community to vote on things. Oh, look. It's our V4 Acacia upgrade proposal that we just helped write the other day.
Hey, what do you know?
Obviously, we're voting yes on that for sure. It's a good upgrade, high quality upgrade. I guess I'll go ahead and vote. Look at this. I love that you can just vote yes. There's not even a no option.
I think that says yes because we already voted on it.
Oh, that is true. We did already vote on it on a different front end, on the Omniflix front end.
Well, what happens if you click yes? I think you can change your vote, and then we can change it back to yes again.
Well, let's see. Option yes. I guess we're still at yes.
So
should we do no just to show people?
Sure. I mean, we can hit no, and then we'll change it back to yes.
So, we already clicked yes. We already voted yes in the last tutorial on the OmniFlix one. So if you missed that, go check that out. But we'll just switch it back to no just to show you how PingPub works. So I'll go ahead and vote no. All right, we're voting no on proposal 14. And then we'll just pay a little bit of Jackal for the gas fee to do this, and we'll go ahead and approve. Honestly, Emery, it hurts. I know we're just doing this just to show the viewers, but I don't want to vote no.
I agree.
Against the V4 proposal. We're going to have to switch that back. But congratulations, the vote has completed. So it still says on our HUD right now that this is a yes vote. Let's go ahead and do a page refresh. Boom. Look at that. We are now a no vote. I don't like that. We got to switch that back. Let's go ahead and switch that back to the yes option because V4 is hot and we need it. Good for the chain, good for me, good for you. All right, and then we'll go ahead and vote yes on proposal 14. Confirm the transaction. Let's go. V4, let's go. Boom. Congratulations. Vote completed successfully. Let's go. And then, as you can see, the GUI is still saying no. We'll do a quick refresh. We're live. We're voting yes. We're feeling good. Emery, this has been great. Thanks for showing me how to stake and how to vote on PingPub.
Not a problem. And whichever platform you choose, both are real easy to use. And we hope that you have an easier time voting and staking.
Amazing.
That went pretty okay.
Look at us. Look at us flying.